And welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Let's kick off with football. The Reggae Boyz made it 3 wins from as many games in the CONCACAF Nations League after a 2-0 victory over Aruba on Saturday night inside the National Stadium.
With 6 points from their opening 2 games, the Reggae Boyz went into Saturday's match hunting another victory to put distance between themselves and the rest of the table. And it didn't take long for the home support to see their team go in front, as Devon Williams smartly found the back of the net after some silky smooth passing on the left-hand side. The Theodore Whitmore-coached team had territorial advantage for the remaining minutes of the first half, but wayward passing and poor decision-making meant the Jamaicans went into the break with only the 1-goal advantage. Aruba enjoyed more possession in the second half, but could not create any clear-cut chances. For the Reggae Boyz, they too were goal-mouth shy until a quick free kick saw substitute Javan East brought down in the box. Shamar Nicholson, however, failed to convert from 12 yards, giving the visitors hope of a comeback. Nicholson would redeem himself in the 88th minute with a calm finish inside the box, securing another 3 points for the Reggae Boyz and their third straight clean sheet.
Yeah, obviously the most important thing is to get the 3 points, clean sheet. But yeah, we weren't happy with that performance, at all. I thought, we was miles off it, to be honest with you. And yeah, we expect a lot better. So obviously we'll be working on that and having a few words. And yeah, we need to come better for the next game.
Assistant coach Jerome Wade admits that the performance was below par.
The team looked a bit lackluster, and one of the things that I believe attributed towards it, the fact that the opposition really didn't have anything to offer. So we went in that super slow gear. This is not what we are capable of doing. And when we, play a better opposition, we have a tendency to rise above expectation.
The Reggae Boyz will next be in action on Tuesday when they play the return leg against Aruba. Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.